Hello and welcome to this new course. In this course, we will teach you how you can easily use ESP32 and Telegram to get real-time notification for free with Telegram messaging app. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering team. In this course, I'll show you how you can send yourself notifications using your ESP32. You can detect motion, you can detect the rise in the temperature, you can even detect if a door is opened using ESP32 and send yourself a notification on a Telegram messaging app using Telegram bots. As long as you have access to the internet in your smartphone, you'll be notified no matter where you are. The ESP32 is one of the mostly used boards in Internet of Things projects, and at the end of this project you'll be able to create your own Telegram bot. You'll be able to program your ESP32 from scratch as we go with you in a step-by-step manner in the coding process, and you'll be able to read digital and analog signals, send values to your Telegram app depending on specific conditions. I'm sure that at the end of this course you'll be amazed by the results that you can get. Sending messages to Telegram is free. Most Internet of Things or cloud-based services require subscription to allow you to send and receive messages. But in our course, this is not the case. You can get unlimited messages with unlimited data from your ESP to your Telegram app, whether you are on desktop or mobile, for free. Now, let's talk about what you will get in this course. First, we will talk about the hardware and software requirements. Then, we will cover how you can easily create Telegram bot from scratch. Then, we will talk about libraries that you need to install for Wi-Fi and Telegram to enable them on your ESP board. Then, we will cover the schematic and circuit connection that you need to follow to be able to use your ESP32 board. After that, we come to the coding section, in which we write together each line of code explaining the purpose of it and why you should write it the way it is. And we answer any question regarding the coding in this section. After that, we come to the final testing, which is the practical testing. You will see in real time how we are detecting motion and reading temperature values, sending them to our Telegram bot in no time. Thanks for watching this introduction. I'm sure that you will enjoy this course. See you inside.